What happened? Inky? You there? Inky? What happened? Oh!
I don't know.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay, wait now!
Wait.
Okay, wait now!
Where are... Fuck! Wait a second.
How did we get here? I don't remember El Gabino visiting here with us. Like, in the slightest.
No. The only person I ever brought you besides me and Alice was you. But not this section.
Then how are we here in
I don't know.
mind?
I don't think we're in El Gabino's mind anymore. Wait a second. There was supposed to be an animation desk right there. In Henry's table. This isn't the cycle. Somebody's tampering with it. This isn't my home. Where are we? I don't think we're...
You know the weird machine thing you've been talking about, right?
Yes, my machine.
You didn't get transport.
Wait a second.
Wait.
No, that can't be him. I could just ran the borders to everyone.
Oh, hey, fellas.
Boris!
Okay. Hey. Wait, is that actually you, or are you just another Boris clone?
Nope, it's me and
Yes,
you.
Boris clones. Oh, Wait, is this where you've been?
Yeah, I've been lost here for a little while.
That's I'm still. I mean, it's been a
I
while
can't really
since.
remember. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Bendy. I don't know where I've been recently, you know? So it's like, this place is like a maze.
Yeah,
You
true.
went to check up on your grandpa, and we haven't heard from you in months, because whatever brought us here brought you here as well. It's around.
We might
Who
not.
else has been here? I've been in different parts of the studio, like the resting place I brought you to.
Wait. Inky, remember that weird bent version of me with crazy looking eyes I've been talking about? What, Boris? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Wait. You kept on saying that crazy different version of me, but you didn't mention anything about the eyes. His eyes
Like crazy little, like circles?
No, that can't be him. He's trapped. It's probably nothing. He got out. Anyways, what the fuck?
What?
Sorry, I thought something just was messing my head.
Yeah, this place is really a little crazy myself.
Yeah.
Inky,
It's like an endless.
Inky, can I talk to you for a second? But Boris, just stay there. We'll be right back.
Alright.
Stay there, boy.
This is not Boris. I recognize Boris anyway. This is not Boris. He's acting
This
not
is not Boris.
like he's not like stupid.
What's his accent? His accent.
He's different.
It's more dumb. But the way he talks, it's too elegant, too organized.
Listen,
You should just flex around random words, finds at the internet.
listen.
Just
We, okay. Hey, Boris, we're back. Sorry, we have to talk about.
Hey, Boris.
We have to talk about some stuff.
Alright. I'm okay with that.
I really
So,
You forgot how small I've gotten. I've been big, but this place messed with my mind. This place got small. Let's not go that way, okay?
Oh, you say so.
Just, when you go down. Wait, the machine.
You have to get to it. We have to get to it.
What?
You said we can get through it, right?
We could pop.
Where is it?
Something about the machine?
Yeah, it's something
Walk
like
off.
a machine there. That's good.
Fuck it.
No, I think it was a small
Done it
enough.
multiple times. Here, let me... Let's see it. Shit. Alright, this is a weird idea for me. Come on, let's get back.
No.
Just gonna slip through here again. Thank God I can turn myself liquid and solid just like that.
And I'm small enough to fit that tiny little gap.
Yeah.
Boris?
Oh, I really don't want to go that room. I really don't want to go to
Boris? What?
What are you saying?
You know, I was listening in on your conversation. You know, you were right. You know, you guys aren't really that stupid, honestly. I'm not sure how you guys believed it on.
Who are you?
My name's Boris. But dead, reincarnated.
I know what you are. You're creation of him. How?
No,
Are you out? How are you out?
I don't know that much about him. All I know is that I've been here to do one thing, and one thing only.
What is that?
To get that damn reel.
Never get your hands on it. You'll never get your hands on it. I have it as a secure location.
What wheel?
Oh, you mean his back pocket?
What wheel are you talking about? Wait.
Bendy,
Find it.
I'm talking about the end reel.
What the hell's this wheel?
Get your hands off of him.
Wait. Might be useful later.
Perhaps see a cartoon that has the word end on it. Ah, fuck! Bendy. Run. That thing will end everything. Get out of here.
I didn't know this is important. Come on. Let's keep safe, I guess. Come on. Let me in. Let me out. Are you on open? Can I? Then I can't use my June powers. Stupid psycho. Come on, let me in.
Bring it, you monstrous fuck!
What is that thing? Hey!
I may be a bit rusty at combat. I've fought things stronger. Where is the machine? Where did you put it?
That must ran something I don't even know myself. Listen, Bendy. I don't want to hurt you. I need that reel, though. It was either you give it to me, or I take it by bare force. And look what I did to your friend over there. What is it like him? I recommend you just hand it over, and no one else gets hurt.
Why do you have to deal with it?
You're in my house. My place. You're in my house now.
knockouts.
Man, strong. Dang it,
Don't say it like!
Oh, go on, think, Bendy. Think! What can you do? What can you do? You don't have any ritual powers. You have nothing. Think! I have to help him. I have nothing. Got it.
There you are.
Oh,
Listen here. Hand me that reel, and I'll spare your friend.
Henke!
Listen, Bendy. Just give me that reel, and I will kill him. Unlike him, I have remorse. I'll let him go if you hand me that damn reel.
Fine!
You're the merciful one.
I'll do it.
That's good. Bendy. I've always known you had a good heart. Hand it over.
You know, both of you won't get away with this.
I know.
I know what he's gonna do.
I know what he's gonna do. But you guys will have to deal with that, not me. Good luck, you two. I'm really depending on it.
Henke! Listen to me. Don't die on me. Henke! Wake up!
I'm fine. I'm fine. You impaled me.
Come on. Henke!
So you get us out of here. Get us out of here. I still have enough strength to get us out of here. So we're here.
We Wawa Cabrino, the moon guy.
Help Lane on the day. Whatever that thing you saw in the tree. I didn't know Bendy is a monster.